Today we're going to be looking at creating our own specific styles in Scrivener 3 for Windows. So you have a number of pieces of text in your manuscript that you want displayed in a particular way in the final output, but it doesn't correspond to any of the existing styles. The first thing you need to do is to format a piece of text in the style you want. So let's say it's a specific type of paragraph that has bigger text. You sometimes see things like this in non-fiction books. Now, this might be a case where you would want a different font from the main text. So let's add that too. Now go to the Styles menu and open up the Styles panel. Down the bottom you'll see a plus button. Click on that and a new window will open up. Give your style a name. You can add a shortcut if you want. Under Formatting you have three options. Save paragraph style, character style, or all. We're going for all. You then have two tick boxes for saving the font family and font size. We want both here, but if you only wanted the size changed, you could deselect font family. You also have the option to highlight text in this style in the editor, and to choose a style for follow-on paragraphs if relevant. So that's our new style created. Let's see how it looks when compiled. Yep, I probably should have selected Justified too, which you don't have to worry about with normal text. Obviously, you can delete styles as well from the Styles panel by selecting the style and right-clicking on it. However, this will not remove the style from the text. So perhaps remove the style first with the button in the Styles panel, before deleting the style.